In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove a Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. So this is an easy tutorial, guys. It's very easy and quick. All you have to do is follow the steps in this video. Like I said, guys, this is a new update on how you can remove Bitmoji from your Snapchat. Now you want to just open your Snapchat, and after that, guys, you want to click on your profile in the top left. Okay. Now, after you click, guys, on your profile, you will see here your Bitmoji here. Now, if you want to remove it, very easy, guys, and quick. All you have to do, you want to just click on this gear in the top right. Now, after that, guys, a few different options will come up here. You want to click where it says here Bitmoji. As you can see, Bitmoji. Now, after that, guys, you will find a few different options will come up here. Yeah, you will see here, remove my Bitmoji, as you got the very bottom. And then you want to click on remove. Now, if you go back, guys, you will not see your Bitmoji anymore because you have you have removed it. So that's exactly, guys, how you can remove Bitmoji from your Snapchat. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, drop a like on this video and let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in